Hello everyone, it's Winnie's Son here, and today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Americans face, and that's running out of money. According to a recent report, a significant portion of the US population is living paycheck to paycheck, regardless of their income level. And unexpected emergencies can hit hard, with the average expense coming in at around $1,700. But don't fret, we're going to walk through some steps together to get you back on track. Now, the first step is to create clear financial goals and priorities. You want to identify both your short-term and long-term objectives. These are goals. Short-term goals might include building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 months of living expenses and paying off credit card balances. Now, for the long term, think about saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education. For those in a relationship, it's essential to work as a team when it comes to your finances. You want to sit down with your partner, create a monthly budget together, and have open conversations about money. Understanding each other's financial habits and aspirations will help you both stay on track. Now, to break free from living paycheck to paycheck, this means that you must live below your means. You'll want to take a hard look at your expenses and distinguish between needs and wants. Can you reduce the times that you eat out? Can you reduce some of your monthly subscriptions? This is where a budget really comes in handy. Tracking your expenses is a game changer. Now, we've got a fantastic budget form on our website to get you started. It's free. You can download it today at mybudgetworksheets.com. And you can also use apps such as QuickBooks, Mint, or Pocket Guard. You want to find what works best for you and just stay organized. You want to find what works best for you, something that's easy and sustainable. The tempting splurges that sneak up on us. You want to avoid those last-minute unplanned expenses by being prepared. Plan your grocery shopping, check what you already have at home, and stick to a list. It's amazing how these little changes can save you big bucks in the future. Now, if you're working from home, you know that there's some great opportunities to save here. You're cutting down on commuting costs, other work-related expenses, maybe even eating out. You could even consider downsizing to just one car for your family. Every little bit helps. Sometimes a little extra income can make a world of difference, so you might want to explore side jobs, gig opportunities, or even remote work options. Get creative here and see how you can boost your earnings. Well, there you have it. Steps to regain control of your finances and build a little bit more secure future. Remember, it's never too late to start. If you have any questions or need guidance, feel free to reach out to myself and my team at Sun Group Wealth Partners. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when we share our next new video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.